Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we create a helix inside onshape. Let's get right into it. I have this model already made, click on isometric view, and now I just want to create a helix on this circular cylinder. For that I will click here and go for helix. Now you can select the helix type. Either you can go for the pitch, height and turns, height and pitch, turns and pitch. This time I'll go for height and turns. Now circular edge, I will select this edge. Now as you can see it goes upward. I will flip the direction. Now it's a clockwise. The height is 25. I will decrease it 12. See? And now revolution I will define it 12. You can define the start angle 12. Hit enter. See? And I will hit OK. Click on isometric. So this is how you can create helix inside onshape. Just to select the circular path and then defining the helix parameters to get a proper helix.